Tucked away in the heart of the Atlantic Ocean, the Azores archipelago is Portugal's best-kept secret. A cluster of 9 volcanic islands, the Azores remain untouched by the crowds, offering an off-the-beaten-path escape for nature lovers and adventure seekers. With their dramatic volcanic landscapes, emerald pastures, crater lakes, and mist-covered mountains, these islands form a cinematic paradise that feels both wild and welcoming. The largest island, São Miguel, also known as the Green Island, is the perfect place to start. Here, the twin crater lakes of Sete Cidades, Lagoa Azul, and Lagoa Verde, captivate travelers with their contrasting hues of blue and green, surrounded by the rims of an ancient volcanic caldera. Don't miss a scenic drive to Vista do Rei, one of the most photographed viewpoints in the Azores. The geothermal town of Furnas offers a glimpse into the Azores' volcanic soul. Steam vents, hot springs, and boiling fume rolls bubble throughout the village, and locals cook a traditional stew called cozido das furnas by burying pots in the steaming earth. The surrounding Terra Nostra Park is home to a thermal pool rich in iron minerals and enveloped by a lush botanical garden, perfect for a therapeutic dip. Adventure seekers can explore hiking trails that wind through volcanic peaks, hidden waterfalls, and coastal cliffs. The trail to Salto do Prego waterfall, near Faial da Terra, is a rewarding hike through dense forest, leading to a secluded cascade where you can cool off in natural pools. On the island of Pico, climb Portugal's highest mountain, Mount Pico, an active stratovolcano that offers panoramic views of the archipelago from its summit. If hiking a volcano isn't on your list, Pico is also known for its rich wine culture, with UNESCO-listed vineyards growing on black lava rock soils. A wine tasting session here is as unique as the island itself. Faial Island, nicknamed the Blue Island for its abundance of hydrangeas, is another gem. Visit the Capelin-Hosp volcano, where an eruption in the 1950s expanded the island's size. The lunar-like landscape left behind contrasts beautifully with the lush interiors and blue Atlantic waters. Whale watching is one of the most thrilling activities in the Azores. The waters surrounding the islands are a hotspot for over 20 different species of whales and dolphins, including sperm whales, blue whales, and orcas. Join a guided boat tour from São Miguel, Pico, or Faial to witness these magnificent creatures in the wild. The Azores are also a dream for marine explorers. Snorkeling and diving in the clear Atlantic waters reveal vibrant underwater life, sea caves, and submerged volcanic formations. Whether you're floating above reefs or swimming through tunnels, the marine biodiversity here is truly spectacular. By now, you've probably fallen under the Azorean spell, but we are only just scratching the surface. If this journey into the hidden treasures of the Azores excites you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to uncover more undiscovered destinations from around the world. Beyond the natural beauty, what truly sets the Azores apart is their sustainability and preservation of culture. These islands are one of the world's top ecotourism destinations, where green energy, organic farming, and respect for tradition are integral to daily life. From charming villages like Ribeira Grande to coastal hamlets where time slows down, the Azores allow travelers to disconnect from the digital and reconnect with the earth. Birdwatchers can explore São Jorge Island, a haven for migratory birds and dramatic coastal cliffs. Meanwhile, on Terceira Island, the UNESCO-listed town of Angra do Heroísmo delights with its colorful architecture and rich historical heritage, dating back to the age of exploration. For those looking to soak in serenity, the natural hot pools at Feiraria are a must. Located on the coast of São Miguel, these tidal rock pools are heated by geothermal energy and offer a surreal experience of soaking in warm waters while ocean waves crash nearby. Whether you're hiking crater rims, sipping volcanic wine, watching whales breach the surface, or floating in a thermal spring, the Azores promise a journey of wonder, peace, and discovery. This is a place where nature dominates, yet welcomes you like an old friend.